Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you state your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Aaron Gandy.
Aaron Gandy. Good morning to you, Mr. Gandy.
Good morning.
All right, I'm about to start letting them in.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirt or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Come on in. Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Good morning. What's your name now?
Elisa Griffin.
Griffin. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm going to start with City of Detroit versus Dalen Deontay Ramon George. Case numbers SB 185-302, not strike that, SB 185-30211, SB 187-6629, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 187-6635, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning. Sorry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. George, state your name for the record, please.
Daylon George.
Just gonna keep working on the back just to make sure it stays.
All right, somebody's got to turn their television off or mute it, please. Mr. George, today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Let me see if this failure to stop is something that we're going to entertain. I wouldn't have any issue, Mr. Berry, of allowing Mr. George to be heard on a failure to stop. Mr. George, Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Kimberly Michelle Love. Case number SP1. Oh, she requested an attorney. Can we see what attorney she's going to get? All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Roy Stanley Gooley Jr. Case number SP189-14151, SP189-14281. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Roy Stanley Goldie Jr.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gooley.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Goldie.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. There has not been a request for an attorney. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Goldie. I got the attorney. She's Maya Davis. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? pass the matter. Ms. Davis,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. You're on Kimberly Love.
I am, Your Honor. And
You want to speak to her first?
yes, please. Thank you.
We're ready whenever you're ready.
I'm not sure I would order an MRI on the first date.
Ms. Love, join the breakout room and speak with your attorney, Ms. Davis, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who's your other client, Ms. Davis?
I have Aaron Gandy.
He's here. Ortiz is here. I
Okay.
haven't seen yet. What's the
And then
lady's
Marisol
Gandy?
Leon Ortiz.
I'm gonna put you in 6, Mr. Gandy, and
Okay.
Mr. Wait on Ms. Davis, and then for Mr. For Leon Ortiz. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Is that Leon Ortiz?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you. Good morning. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7, Miss Davis is here for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. So what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. George?
That's what I would like to do.
6/29/2026 at 9 a.m. June 29th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
I have a question, Your Honor, if that's okay.
What is your question?
There were a few other matters on this case. Are those matters dismissed, or are we be
No,
readdressing those?
everything is going to be set for trial.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
All on the date of trial, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Berry.
Of course.
What is that lady's name in the hallway? What? The lady's name in the hallway.
Oh, Griffin, I'm sorry, Judge. Her name is Elisa Griffin.
Did you get a vice or right?
No, I think she already has one, but she does not give her another one.
City of Detroit, Elisa Griffin, case number SP 107-37411, SP 128-27841, SP 1422661, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 15033-271, appearance for the record, please.
Alwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Griffin.
Elisa Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Griffin. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. Can you run our license, Ms. Matthews? He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay. Yes.
She's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gooley. Mr. Gooley, Mr. Gooley, I'll give you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, requesting an attorney to be appointed.
Is that what you want, Mr. Goley?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for a pretrial date. That date is set to make sure that that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you do not hear from that attorney on your next court date, then we're gonna get.
One question, Judge.
Is that?
I don't like last time I came, you weren't here. I had explained to your person covering for you that I wanted the trial, and that they had said one was going to contact me. Is there a number that I can call to ensure that I can get counsel? Because I really would like this Detroit officer
Yeah.
body cam footage to be,
This is Mr. Goley. This
Yes,
is
sir.
this is why we're giving you the attorney.
Okay,
You'll
thank
go
you.
over that stuff with the attorney. Now, hear me out.
Mhm.
Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of the calls should be that appointed attorney. If
Okay.
it doesn't, if you hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date. And then you will, that attorney will request all of that stuff, okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much, Judge.
All right, pretrial is gonna be June 18th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Strike that, at 8:30. You know to get here early so you can get out early.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have any further questions, June 18th, if that appointed attorney does not contact you by then, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I do wish you the best of luck. Have a safe weekend, and we'll see you back on June 18th.
You as well, Judge. Thank you. You have a safe weekend too.
Thank you.
Good morning, Judges. Corporal Whitehead. I'm gonna have to check into another courtroom. Who's the prosecutor here this morning?
This is supposed to be Ms. Horn. Good morning to you. It's supposed to be Ms. Horn. So I haven't yet. So we'll be here.
Okay, can you assign me to the breakout room?
Yeah, you're signed to the breakout room already.
Oh, which one? I'm on my cell phone. Can you do it again?
On one, let me put you. All right,
There we go.
Here you go. All right.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Isaac Garcia, case number SP 1887696, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Bring that license, please. Isaac Garcia, are you there? Did we lose Isaac Garcia? Looks like we lost Isaac Garcia. Let's pass that matter. You can still run that license, please. All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Tesoro Dwayne Green, case number SP 1896407, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Green.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Got it. It's Tesoro Green.
Good morning to you, sir. A day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Harris, he does owe the 2 civil infractions, expired plate 222 and a no insurance proof 336. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
If you don't mind me asking a question real quick.
Talk to Ms. Harris about it, okay, Mr. Green?
Okay.
Join the room. He's in there.
Thank you.
Ms. Davis, are you ready on anyone? Attorney Ragnow, good morning to you. And Attorney
Morning, Your Honor.
Perkins.
Your Honor, I don't have a, I'm sorry.
You have Attorney Ragnow.
Your Honor, I don't have a case before you today, but I have a client named Rochelle Green who missed her last court date for trial, in fact, and I believe she's supposed to be coming in this morning because there's a warrant out for her arrest. And I wanted to advise the court of that. If she does come in, hopefully we can get that set aside and work on the case.
Spell her name for me, please.
It's Raysshell, and the last name is Green, Rochelle Green. I do have a case number if you'd like.
City of Detroit versus Rochelle Green, case number U646-17422, SP 1829921, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1829981, SP 1830351, SP 18, thank you, 303551, appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157, on behalf of the defendant, Rochelle Green.
All right, as for purposes of your client's presence, you did indicate that you have had contact with your client, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And your client is supposed to come in today?
I asked her to come in this morning, yes, to court.
All right, I will waive your client's presence. You can call your client and tell her she does not need to come in. And the fact that you have had contact with your client and you are in, and she is in communication with you now, we will set another trial date. I will enter a non-guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. We'll set another trial date for June 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Tell her do not miss this one, or we'll put a cash bond on her.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Really appreciate it.
Much welcome. Have a very good weekend, Mr. Ragnow. See you soon.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Perkins, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Well, how about yourself?
Good, thank you.
Who's your client?
Michael Genrich.
All right. You need a conversation with him?
No, I'm retained. I just need to speak with the city attorney.
Okay. Mr. Genrich?
Oh, they say my name, should I,
Just
We can hear you, sir.
Where's Mr. Genrich?
He's at my office.
All right. I'll put Mr. Genrich in a, good morning to you, Mr. Genrich. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Perkins. He'll come see you once he sees the city attorney, okay?
okay, that's fine, sir.
He's in 8. We'll pass the
Thank you.
matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter pleas to driving while license suspended and as charged, and the no insurance misdemeanor would be, the plea would be improper plates.
So it would be failure to display. Miss Griffin, why don't you hang up the phone and all right. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
You why didn't you get a driver's license?
I flunked the test twice.
Flunked it twice?
Yes, and then I just lost my sister's breast cancer. So
You say, well, I'm so sorry to hear that. When did she pass away?
Mother's Day.
Do you have kids? Sorry. Well, Ms. Goodrich, I want you to pass that test.
What's it?
When, I'm not gonna ask why didn't you pass the test?
I took it twice. Then I went back again and I don't know, I guess they switched the questions around and I flunked it again.
You're not studying.
I gotta keep my mind focused.
If I give you one more chance, you gonna pass it?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
It's Corporal McCree. Can someone put me in the breakout room, please?
Okay. All right. All right, come back. One last time.
Please, one last time.
You know they give you a tape recorder if you ask for one, right?
Yeah,
All right, so do what you gotta do.
I am. Now I'm focused.
Come back June 18th. Again, our condolences go out to you and your
Thank
family.
you. June 19th.
June 18th.
What day is that?
Right here, right here.
June 18th.
Here's a calendar right here.
Okay, I gotta put my, okay.
19th is a Friday.
So
Okay.
it's a Thursday. All right, June 18th. You give her that magnifying glass or something.
It's the glasses that I wear at work or whatever, maybe, I don't know. Okay.
All right, come back June 18th, and good luck to you. And again, I can't stress
This is my
more.
last time. I'm like,
I cannot
I
stress.
passed the second test.
Yeah, I cannot stress more how much I feel for you and your family and your sister. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, June 18th. We'll see you soon.
June 19th.
June 18th.
18th,
Thursday.
I'll give her some paperwork.
Give us some paperwork.
Just have to see how I bring it to you.
Thank you.
All right, the city of Detroit versus Blake Edward Lindsay, case number SP 159-51831. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lindsay.
Mr. Lindsay, he had your hand raised. Blake Lindsay. Where'd he go? Unmute yourself, sir.
Mr. Oh my
Good morning,
God.
Good
Can
morning
you hear
to
me?
Mr. Lin- Yeah, I can hear you now.
I
State your name.
apologize. It's my phone, sir. I
State your name.
apologize.
Good morning to
Blake
you.
Lindsay. Good
All right.
morning, sir.
Today is the date and time, and it's set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Counsel, purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lindsay, this is one of those tickets where you can't do any worse. You can only do better or stay the same. If you want to speak to Mr. Barry about it, I can let you do that, or I can just set you a trial date. What would you like to do?
I'm gonna try to talk to Barry about it. I want to just resolve this issue. I know what I did was wrong, and I'm just trying to resolve
I
it over
don't
with.
want, let's not talk about that right now. Go ahead and
Yes, sir.
talk breakout room.
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor, my client, my docket does not include Mr. Lindsay. Could I know the charge?
Last name on 830. It's an allowing, Mr. Barry. That's
Thank
all
you.
he's got, an allowing. All
Thank
right,
you.
Mr. Lindsay, join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Barry. and let us know what you want to do when you come out. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Pass the matter. You ready, Ms. Davis?
I am ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit again versus Kimberly Michelle Love, case number SP 188883221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please the court. Maya Davis, P 88515, standing in for counsel Record Vasson Johnson II for Kimberly Love, who's appearing via Zoom. Ms. Love, can you please state your full name for the record? Ms. Love, is she?
Is Ms. Love there?
You know what? Your Honor, I'm pulling her out of the breakout room. My apologies. I didn't thought she was out here.
What does Ms. Love want to do?
Yeah, we're just okay, here she is.
Just have a seat, they'll bring them up.
Ms. Love, state your name for the record, Ms. Love.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I did not hear you.
State your name for the record, please.
Kimberly Love.
All right, day is date and time set for a pretrial. It's my understanding you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Love, I'm gonna put your trial date for June the 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Love, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Your Honor. Your
Next,
Honor. Mary saw Leon Ortiz.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Pernicano, if you're available.
give me 1 second. This is the city of Detroit versus Marisol Alexa Leon Ortiz, case number SP 1885841, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1910531, counts 1, 2, and 3. She picked up 3 more cases, Miss, which
Okay.
appear for the record, please.
For the record, Maya Davis, P 88515, standing in for counsel Record Vasson Johnson II For Marisol Leon Ortiz, who's appearing via Zoom. Ms. Ortiz, can you please state your name for the record?
Marisol A. Leon Ortiz.
All right, good morning to you. The three cases additionally are providing false ID, transporting, illegally transporting marijuana, and minor in possession of tobacco. What does Ms. Ortiz want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to continue her plea of not guilty and set these matters for another pretrial date. Attorney Johnson was recently appointed to these matters.
All right.
The older matters, I'm assuming he's going to take the new matters as well.
Very well. The 6/18 at 8:30. Ms. Leon Ortiz, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, June 18th, at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Yes.
All right, who else, are you ready on the last one?
Aaron Gandy. Yes, Your Honor.
Gandy?
Yes.
The city of Detroit, versus Aaron Terrell Gandy, case number SB 1729670, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1866851. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, for the record, Maya Davis, PA8515, standing in for Counsel Record Vasson Johnson II. For Aaron Gandy, who's appearing via Zoom, Mr. Gandy, can you please state your full name for the record?
Aaron Gandy.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Gandy want to do?
Your Honor, without getting to the facts of the case, we've noticed some issues with the stop. We'd like to request a motion date in order for it to allow the defense to file a motion.
Okay, how long could it take you to get that motion in?
Oh, Your Honor, I would say we can have it filed in 2 weeks. So we can have it filed June 12th.
All right, we'll set it for a pre-trial / motion hearing on June 29th, 2026 at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gandy, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Perkins, you had a question?
Yes, either is there an offer in the file or who is your city attorney today?
City attorney is going to be Ms. Horn, I believe.
Okay, she's not in this meeting right now, is she? I didn't see her anywhere.
No, she's not.
Okay, all right. And is there an offer in the file or no?
I don't have the file. No, it wouldn't be in the file.
Okay, I'll wait then.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, trial. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lindsay?
Yes, sir.
June 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Lindsay, if there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yes, thank you, sir. You too.
You're welcome. You're welcome. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Artemis Owen Gray, case number SP 124-1180, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 133-5995, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 154-85691, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gray.
Unmute yourself by pressing *6, Mr. Gray.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Unmute yourself.
Artemis Gray.
State your name. Okay, very good. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay,
He's in
Your
the
Honor.
room. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, am I in the right room? I had a court case at 8:30.
You are. We're taking them in. Good morning to you. We're taking them in the order that they came in.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I apologize, Your Honor.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. I'm gonna press start. I'm gonna ask you to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name. I'm sending you the prompt. iPhone, I'm sending you the prompt. Unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name. There you go. You have to come in the camera, please. What is your name?
My name is Anthony Gaines.
Anthony Gaines. You have to. Anthony
Yes, sir.
Gaines. Good morning to you, Mr. Gaines.
Good morning. How you doing today, Mr. Perkins?
I'm well. He had to slip something on before he came in. I can't understand why you don't come in prepared.
I'm sorry about that. I forgot I had on a white tee, and I remember I couldn't have on a white tee in court.
I never said anything about a white tee, but it would be better if you came in with suit and tie on. But at the end of the day, I just don't want people to come in with no t-shirt on and all that stuff. All right, Mr. Gaines, your matter is set for trial. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officers don't appear, we'll get you out of here. And there's a lot of officers that have appeared on your matter, so. Fitzgerald. Keyshawn, is that Keyshawn Lund? Is that Keyshawn Lund?
Yes, I'm here.
Morning to you.
Good morning. Is my camera on?
Not yet. I don't need it on right now. Did we appoint you an attorney or what?
How?
Yeah, get probation down here for Mr. Lund, please. we're just waiting on an attorney. Good morning, Madam Interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Well, the gentleman, Gutierrez Maha, is in with the attorney. She's waiting on the city. Let's call the city attorney, please.
Do you need me to be in that breakout room with her?
Not now, I don't believe. You don't need to be in there now.
Is that the only party who requires the assistance of an interpreter?
Pardon me?
Is that the only party who requires the assistance of an interpreter, Your Honor?
So far. Yeah, so far that is.
Do you want me to ask to the general public if they require the assistance of an interpreter or no?
Oh, you may.
Buenos días. ¿Hay alguna persona en esta sala que requiera la asistencia de un intérprete en el idioma español? Por favor, active su micrófono e identifíquese.
Yo, Isa Garcia.
Your Honor, the gentleman who is Mr. Isaac Garcia is indicating that he requires the assistance of an interpreter.
Okay.
Muy bien.
All right, Madam Interpreter, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Inés Ucros, I-N-E-S, Ucros, U-C-R-O-S, Spanish interpreter.
And Ms. Ucros, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. We're just going to wait on an attorney, and I think we can get Mr. Garcia out relatively quickly, hopefully.
Can you please give me his case number, Your Honor? I do not have any information on that regard.
That would be SP 188-769-6, counts 1 and counts 2.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
¿Hay alguna otra persona que requiera la asistencia de un intérprete en el idioma español? Por favor, active su micrófono e identifíquese.
Officer Jacquio, I have you checked in. Good morning to you.
Yeah, I just wanted to let you know, Your Honor, that I'm doing an escort this morning, so I'm at to hop out of the room, but I spoke to Miss Horn already.
Very good. All right, I'll see you soon, and we'll see what happens. I have you checked in, though.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, too. You too.
Thank you. Oh, you know something? I found out, they sent me that thing about who filed that grievance. It's James Garner. He already filed grievance against me. Yeah, because I told him he got to go to jail. He gets all belligerent and stuff. He's one of those sovereign citizens. I don't see that.
Just go and talk to him.
Yeah, I talked to him. Sending the stuff today. Well, today, maybe yesterday, but I'm like,
Okay.
This
is probably
procedure. Southwest Detroit Community Court. Let's see if I'm gonna see if he completed it. I'm gonna see if he completed his community service. I'm gonna text him. I don't know. I'm my time. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, if I'm being very honest, I do not know what my client wants to do. I have attempted to give advice, and seemingly this is a frustrating experience for Mr. Green. And so much so that I have taken the brunt of his frustrations. And unfortunately, I don't think he's inclined to listen to my advice and would rather I think he should have a conversation with the court. I apologize because that's all I can do.
Well, Mr. Green, you have a few options. That is to proceed to the charges that either amended count or as charged, and or you will take it to trial. I don't know of any better person that I can think can help you today. This outstanding.
Okay, I can speak now.
You may.
Real quick. So I was just explaining to her. It's not that I don't want her to help me. I never said that out of my mouth. I just only explained that. So the vehicle that I just recently got a ticket for was like bought an hour before I got the ticket. And then
Let me stop you. Let me stop you. Now you're getting into the facts of the case. Okay, so
say that again.
I really can't hear the facts of the case until I bring the other side in.
Okay.
Now,
so the other side just stated. So this is another thing. The other side is the officer, obviously, right?
Right.
So he stated that if I was to show that I got a plate, insurance, and tags.
Go ahead.
He stated that out of his own, out of his mouth, that if I was to show tags, if I was to present tags, insurance, and a plate on the vehicle that he gave me a ticket for, he himself would throw the tickets out. And I stated that in my first court date, and I had these documents.
All right,
ready
well,
to show
we can set a trial date and bring him in.
But it's just like this is 3 court dates for just traffic tickets. I understand it has to be worked out.
Sir, listen. That's procedure.
Okay.
It's no really way to get around that. That's just how the court operates. I know sometimes it feels like it's going slow, but that's just procedure.
So
everybody.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Real quick. Recently, I had a court date with an officer, and they kind of like dismissed it. I'm not sure if they're supposed to show up in court and they dismiss it, or they don't show up and you guys dismiss it. But if he's not showing up in court, I thought, like you guys dismiss it if they don't come to court. But I have something going on where I'm trying to get my CDLs, and this is really holding me up because it's a misunderstanding. Because I know I honestly agree that I was driving without a license.
Stop. Why don't you listen to somebody, sir? Why don't you sit back and take some advice sometimes? You quit talking too much. You gotta listen. All right, I put you with one of the best attorneys in Michigan. Why don't you go back in the breakout room and have a conversation with her and do less talking and more listening, all right? She can tell you about procedure. She can tell you about all of that stuff as it relates to this case. And if it's some other services that we need to provide, then we can try and do that for you, all right?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Green, I'm gonna direct you to go back in the breakout room and have another conversation with Ms. Harris, okay? All right. He's in there, Ms. Harris. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to the narcotics or drug violation on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence, as well as enter a plea to one of the driving while license suspended charges with a failure to display. And the remaining 3 matters will be dismissed.
Take that deal, sir?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Is that me violating the plea deal?
That's the maximum possible penalty. That's not.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, that's not what I'm saying I'm gonna impose, but that's the maximum possible penalty. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those trial rights up?
Yes.
Did Mr. Berry go over your other advice or rights?
Yes. And I chose to take the deal because of how long I've been going through this process.
Well, that's completely up to you, sir.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those?
No, he explained it well for me.
And you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give up those rights, correct?
Wait. Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Not at this current time. At my first court date, yes, but not at this time, no.
This time, nobody's offered you anything other than what they said we'll do today, correct?
Yes.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to way back to April the 20th, 2022 at around 1:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of what is that? P-E-N-P-F-E-N-T?
Fent Street.
Fent Street and Verona?
Verona.
Verona? All right.
Yeah.
Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Do you want to know what happened? Is that what you're asking me, or are you just asking me, did I encounter them?
If you just answer the questions, we'll get through it a little quicker.
Could you ask it again for me?
Did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
I was sitting in the motor, yes.
And the motor vehicle was running, correct?
I don't think so, no.
All right, we're gonna set a trial date. Because obviously you have an issue, it seems, with this stop and that's where I see that going down that line.
I would rather take the plea though.
It's not about what you'd rather do, sir. It's not about what you'd rather do. It's about the facts of the case. I'm not gonna ask you, and I'm not gonna force you, and I'm not gonna allow you to plead to something that you did not do. Okay? So you probably think there's an appointed attorney, and maybe the appointed attorney can help you. I don't know. I'm gonna set this matter because you say you're sitting in an automobile, right?
Yes.
And are you in the driver's seat of this automobile?
Yes.
And are the keys in the ignition of this automobile? Is Mr. Berry, is that still the law of Michigan? Or
It's a push. Not being funny or like being serious. It was a push to start. I don't know if that makes a difference when you say keys in the ignition, but it's a new car.
It was a new car. Well,
but I don't think. Yes, everything. Yes, the car was running. I was in the car. The car was driving when I wasn't driving, but the car was on.
Now, why do you tell me the car is running and you just told me the car wasn't running?
Because I don't know for real. It was so long ago, and this has elongated my process of getting my license and made it so hard for me to get my CDLs and like go through the whole process. And then I just had my baby. So
this
it's
doesn't
a
have
lot.
anything. This doesn't have anything to do with you getting a valid driver's license, sir. You can get a valid driver's license and still fight these cases at the same time.
Okay.
Do you want me to set you an appointed attorney, and then you can, in the meantime, try to get a valid license?
Can y'all come in here?
Close
the door.
Sir, please mute your device. Mr. Lund.
Yes.
Please mute your device.
Mr. Gray, do you want an appointed attorney or do you want to continue to take this deal?
I would like to continue to take the deal.
All right. You were in this vehicle, correct?
Yes.
And the police said, what did they do? Pull up on you, or did they stop?
They pulled up on me.
At some point, were you driving this vehicle, sir?
No, sir.
Listen, I'm not gonna keep going through this. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I'm gonna set you a pretrial date of June the 18th, 2026 at 8:30. Is this the best number to reach you?
313-26. Yes, this is.
All right. I'm gonna set you an appointed attorney. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Okay.
Okay, I have a question. If I go and hire my own attorney, do I just give her my case number or that's on my paper?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, you too.
All right, Mr. Berry, this individual, Mr. Isaac, needs an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Isaac Garcia, case number SP 1887696, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm just gonna talk. I'm just gonna say Joe.
Madam Interpreter.
Something happened. Have you called this case, Your Honor?
The interpreter is not responding. All right, let's pass it. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Bank. Derek Derez Jolette, number SP 189-21091. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr.
Eric Banks.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Set for a show cause. Purposes of arraignment on the show cause, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lett, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. G code 365. Ask you to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Okay, the host has asked you to start the video. Okay, how you doing? My name is Gerald Rashad Grant.
Gerald Grant.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Sorry, I'm late. I couldn't figure out how to get in here. I had to call the court.
Very well.
Sir.
Your Honor, do you need the assistance of the interpreter?
Yeah, I called another case. I'll recall it as soon as I get an attorney available.
That's quite all right, Your Honor. I apologize. I wasn't by the screen, so I didn't realize that you were calling somebody. I apologize.
I'm fine. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lett. Mr. Lett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Lett?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll set a trial date for June the 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir.
There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You as well. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit, Madam Interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Isaac Garcia. Case number SP 188-7696, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días, estamos presentes en el acta en el caso del señor Isaac García, número de caso SP 1887696, cargos 1 y 2. Por favor, las personas que están presentes en este caso, identifíquense para que conste en el acta. Inés Ucros, Your Honor, Spanish interpreter.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
El señor Elwood Berry Jr. se encuentra representando al demandado.
Good morning.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Hold on, Mr. Barris.
Esta es una audiencia para la lectura oficial de los cargos y nos estamos quedando mudos.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Garcia. State your name for the record, please.
Señor García, buenos días. Diga su nombre completo para que conste en actas.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Isaac García.
Good morning. My name is Isaac Garcia.
All right. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Your client does have a valid driver's license.
Bueno, en este momento entonces yo voy a presentar una declaración de no culpable. Tiene una caución de $0 y en este momento el señor García tiene una licencia de conducción válida.
I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Garcia, with Mr. Berry. He's going
Yo
to
lo voy a
attempt to
colocar. Go ahead,
keep in
Your Honor.
mind-
I apologize.
You have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor García, yo lo voy a colocar en una sala separada para que hable con el señor Berry. Por favor, acepte la invitación que aparece en su pantalla. Usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio.
Yeah. Join the room. we'll pass the matter. Mhm.
Okay.
Officer Brent, good morning to you.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
We have a half-hour grace period, and you've missed it.
I tried calling in. I'm sorry.
That's all right. I'm not going to mark you. I'm not going to mark no officer. All right.
Yes, sir.
But I'll dismiss the cases. But Mr. Grant has a whole lot of other ones that are here. So, all right. I'll just dismiss. If there's nothing further, you can speak with the city attorney if you like. But if not, we'll wish you to be safe out there and have a very good rest of your day.
All right. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
Does he have an attorney? Lund. Mr. Lund, has an attorney contacted you? No, Mr. Gibbs, I'm putting you out. You're gonna roll a blunt right in my face.
Oh, heck no. Heck no.
I saw him with the blunt package on his when he held it up early. Something else, man. Officer Thomas, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are we doing with Lund?
So Mr. Lund had informed me that he had just started a job and he hadn't been paid yet. So instead of having him test at ATS, I had him test at our drug lab. He was clean. I didn't have any. So I told him based on after today, now that he's been working for a bit, he'd have a paycheck. If he was to continue testing, he'd get referred out somewhere else.
Very good. All right. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Be safe.
Thank you.
Mr. Lund, did the attorney ever contact you, or did you ever get in talk with an attorney?
No, no, sir. No, I just talked to you or whatever. Then you referred me to call down there, and I went to test. I ain't never talked to no attorneys about nothing. I gave them my number twice.
You didn't appoint him an attorney?
Ms. Mathis? We did.
I guess not.
Yes, Mr. Lund?
Yeah. Did you tell me you were going to get your own attorney? No, I didn't.
No, I never said that.
Let's get him an attorney. See if we can get him one now, if we can. Okay. Please. Yes.
I got to go to my job at 10:30, so I'm trying to.
All right, we're gonna try to get you out of here. We don't want you missing that. I don't want you missing that job.
Okay. Yeah.
If you can.
Okay.
If you want to, we'll bring them back. If you can.
He might just need to come. Because things is a little different.
I know. See if you can, right quick. If we can, we'll get them out of here and bring them back. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Bueno, señor, vamos a volver nuevamente en el acta. En el caso del señor García, yo le di la oportunidad de que usted hablara con su abogado que lo está representando. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, both matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, el fiscal ha determinado que ambos asuntos pueden ser desestimados.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Bueno, entonces yo voy a desestimar ambos cargos por haber presentado una documentación válida. Si no hay nada más que presentar, buena suerte para usted y que tenga un buen día. Thank you. The same. Ya se puede retirar, señor García.
Ok,
Puede
muy bien.
salirse de la reunión.
Muchas gracias. Que tenga buen día.
Thank you very much. You have a good day as well.
All right, all right, we have one more, I believe he's still, Ms. Aycock, have you spoken? Are you ready to go? Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Julian Guerrera, case number SP 188-9805, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 188-9808, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood
Yes,
S.
sir.
Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guerrera.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Julian Alejandro Guerrera.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Guerrero, I'm put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Ms. Aycock, are you ready?
Yes, ready, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gutierrez. This is the city of Detroit versus Eric Gutierrez Maha, case number SP 189-57831, SP 189-57941. Appearance for the record, please. Please allow the interpreter to interpret.
Buenos días, señora Eco, que usted está lista para atender su caso. Sí, su señoría. Esta es la fiscalía contra el señor Eric Gutiérrez, número de caso SP 189587731 y número de caso 189587941. Por favor, las partes preséntense para que consten actas. Buenos días, señor Gutiérrez.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Good morning, Leslie Aycock, on behalf of the defendant.
Buenos días, yo soy la señora Aycock, representando al demandado.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do?
Bueno, hoy ha sido la fecha y la hora seleccionada para una audiencia previa al juicio. ¿Qué desea hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, I've met with the prosecuting attorney this morning and there's been an offer as follows.
Su señoría, tuve la oportunidad de reunirme con el fiscal el día de hoy y existe una oferta, la cual yo voy a recitar de esta manera.
Dismissal of the misdemeanor, driving while license not valid.
Hay se desestima el delito menor de haber conducido un vehículo sin tener una licencia de conducción válida.
And reduction of the civil infraction to blockading traffic.
Y reducción de la infracción civil a haber bloqueado el flujo del tráfico.
My client would like to avail himself of that offer.
A mi cliente le gustaría aceptar esta oferta.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gutierrez?
Señor Gutiérrez, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
Will counsel stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
Y señora abogada, ¿usted está aceptando la base de los hechos de la multa para que su cliente se declare responsable?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
¿Y usted estipula causa probable para desestimar el otro asunto?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can your client pay?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, you said 175?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bueno, entonces yo encuentro que de acuerdo al acuerdo estoy encontrando que su cliente es responsable del cargo que se le imputa por haber bloqueado el flujo del tráfico y tiene que pagar una multa de $175.
Your Honor, my client indicates that he can make that payment today to the court.
Su señoría, mi cliente está indicando que él puede realizar este pago al juzgado el día de hoy.
All right, I'll give him at least till the Monday. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, I wish you both the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Bueno, entonces yo le voy a dar hasta el día lunes para que él pueda cancelar esta multa. Lo puede realizar en uno de los kioscos de la empresa DivDad, o usted puede bajar la aplicación en su teléfono de DivDad, o podría presentarse ante la cajera del juzgado. Estas son las dos mejores maneras en que yo le podría indicar cómo puede hacer para pagar esta multa. Si no hay nada más que atender, yo le deseo a usted muy buena suerte y le deseo que tenga un muy buen resto de su día.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you to you and your court, and thank you, Ms. Ucros.
You're welcome, Ms. Eka. Bueno, nada más que presentar su señoría. Gracias a el señor juez y gracias al personal del juzgado y a la señora Ucros.
I have a great day.
Que tenga un buen día.
Bye.
Ready on Michael Jenrich from the Cordas.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Jenrich, case number SP 189-5415, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Michael Jenrich. Mr. Jenrich, state your full and complete name for the record, please.
Michael Stephen Genrich.
Genrich. All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Thank you. The no insurance proof was not on the docket. I don't know if you added that to the negotiation or not.
He's asking me, Mr. Jenrich, you're good. Your Honor, we did discuss that. We're asking for all the matters be set for bench trial.
Okay. Is that what you want, Mr. Genrich?
Yes.
All right. Trial date will be June 29th at 9 a.m. June 29th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Judge. Sir. Have a great weekend to you and your staff.
Your Honor, please indicate to the interpreter Mr. Gutierrez's case number. I want to recite it properly I want to put it properly on my documentation. I thought it was 18958-731, but I want to confirm that, Your Honor.
SP 189-57831, SP 189-57941.
Thank you, Your Honor. I got them. Thank you. I appreciate it. You have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Guerrero. Mr. Guerrero, I've given you an opportunity, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the check.
Is that what you want, Mr. Guerrero?
There he is. Unmute, Mr. Guerrero.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I was muted. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to give you an appointed attorney. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls. If you got appointed attorney, if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. The next court date is going to be June 18th at 8:30. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You have a better one. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. This is the city of Detroit versus Kiara Nichelle Greenwell. Case number SP 171199971, SP 171199973, SP 1900911, SP 1900913, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 190097111. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Greenwell.
Good morning. My name is Kiara Greenwell.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, and we'll arraign her on the other matters, the new matters as well, Mr. Berry.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. So the one license improper that is on the docket, add an expired plate, a no insurance proof, a no valid registration, 16 to 20 miles over the speed limit, and allowing,
Judge Perkins.
and a no insurance misdemeanor. Ms. Greenwell, Mr. Barry is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, I'll enter not guilty plea on our behalf, give her a $0 bond. Mr. Barry is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. See the prompt, join the room, you let us know what you wanna do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, are we ready on Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, did you get all your questions answered, sir?
Yes.
All right, what does your client want to do, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, we are asking for permission to pay reinstatement fees up front and a trial date. I will just for the record state that I advised of all options and gave Mr. Green the opportunity to choose from those options. I also explained the option of speaking to someone from the street outreach court, which I think would be beneficial, but a trial date and reinstatement fee payment up front is appreciated.
What do you want to do? So that's what he
If I
wants?
can do both, I would appreciate it if I could do both. I am not saying that I don't want to. It's a lot of a frustration to all of the things that are, all of the options. So I don't want to put myself in a bad predicament. So like I said, if I could do both, I would appreciate to do both. But if not,
I don't know what he's talking about. Do both, Miss Harris.
Believe street outreach court and a trial date and pay the reinstatement fee up front.
Yeah.
All right, about the street outreach, I'm going to put a street outreach. I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front so that he can potentially set himself up to get a driver's license during that time. And you want to do that, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to put you on hold. I'm going to get street court in here now. Let's pass the matter.
Thank you.
What about the?
Sorry.
That one, they couldn't get you one?
I'm called, I had to update it in the computer so he could see it and I'm making it.
Okay.
And I need his telephone.
Mr. Lund, we need a telephone number for you.
I gave the number 4 or 5 times. I keep giving it to him.
Oh, is it in there?
I have a record of no phone number, and when I looked. Hi, Ron.
I keep giving him the number. You want the? I'm about to give you the number now.
Go ahead.
Ready? 313 657
657
657 0545.
Thank you.
0545. All right, this is the City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Justin Omari Gratton, case number SP 186-2487, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please the court. My name is PA8515, standing for a second. For Mr. Gratton, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Gratton, can you please start your camera, unmute yourself, and state your name for the record?
Hi, Justin Gratton. Good morning.
Good morning to you, sir. Day's date and time is set for a trial. I don't think an officer Teamer appeared. I haven't seen Officer Teamer.
Yeah, and after speaking with Madam Prosecutor, she did inform me that Officer Teamer was not here.
All right, motion.
As such, Your Honor, we would move to dismiss for lack of a complaining witness.
Grant the motion, Mr. Granton. See,
Thank you, Your Honor.
3:05:29. All right, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Ms. Davis, did you see the chat?
Yes, I just responded. I'll go speak with him I just have one more case. I'll go speak with him.
Right now, please. He needs to get to work.
Oh, okay, I will.
Mr. Lund, join the room, please. All right. Gibbs, I put out because Gibbs was rolling on a blunt. Good morning to you on 313-673-2739. Good morning to you. What's that?
Good morning. How you doing, Judge?
Well, who is this?
This is Tony Graham.
Grant?
Graham, Graham.
Good morning to you,
Graham.
Mr. Graham.
Thank you.
Let's see. Graham.
8:45.
8:45? Thank you. Tony Graham, all right. All right, give me a minute, Mr. Graham.
All right.
All right. Anthony Gaines, is Anthony Gaines there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus Anthony Tyrone Gaines, case number SB 105. Strike that, SB 150-16081, SB 159-53681, SB 159-5383, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 180-3108, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 180-31261, SB 186-8123, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 186-95581, SB 186-9568, counts 1 and 2 and 3, SB 187-4074, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 187-6279, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
On behalf of Mr. Gaines.
Mr. Gaines, state your name for the record, please.
Anthony Gaines.
Right, there's date and time set for a trial. I do have Corporate appeared, Hill appeared, Officer Bush appeared, Delzacchio appeared, Patman appeared. The only officer that I don't see that appeared is, Mr. Gaines, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right, when you see the prompt, join the room and we'll pass the matter. Ms. Till, good morning to you. I'm gonna
Good
put you
morning,
in
Your
the
Honor.
room with Mr. Green, and he needs to speak with you, okay?
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Right, are we ready?
Your Honor, we're ready on Keyshawn Lunn and Nettles, Lee Nettles.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Keyshawn Line, case number SP 1430457, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1618401, SP 1618405, counts 1 and counts 2, and counts 3. SP 1705875, SP 1722338, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1836909, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1836910, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1837130, SP 186077761, SP 1860790, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1888481, SP 1888591, SP 1899431, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1899980, C8096251. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, May it please the court. Maya Davis, PA 8515, here for Keyshawn Lunn, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Lunn, can you please state your full name for the record?
Keyshawn from the line.
Okay, today is the date and time. Good morning to you. Set for a pretrial. Let's arraign him on. I think he's got some new cases.
Oh, boy.
No, he does not.
Okay. Your Honor.
No, he's on there. All right. For purposes of what do you want to do? Set a pretrial date?
Yes, John, I was recently appointed to this matter, so I just need some time to obtain discovery and have some meaningful conversation with Mr. Lunn.
All right. Come back on June 18th at 8:30, Mr. Lunn. Now you got your counsel, and if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Javon Cortez Lee Nettles. Case number SP 1164074, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1266319, counts 1. SP 1627146, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1741882, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 90440101, 18 4234241, 18 4340201, 20714423, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Again, for the record, Maya Davis, P88515, standing again for Counsel Record Vasselin Johnson II. For Mr. Javon Lee Nettles, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Nettles, can you please start your camera, unmute yourself, and state your full name for the record?
Javon Lee Nettles.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Did you work something out?
Your Honor, there is a resolution in this matter. The people have proposed a plea recommendation, in which my client would like to take advantage of. The recommendation would be for a ticket ending in 6319 count 1. That charge will be amended from driving while license suspended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and there will be a dismissal of the remainder of the tickets.
I can't understand. I don't think I've asked you whether you want to take that deal or not. Mr. Lund, do you want to take the deal? I mean, Mr. Lee Nettles, you want to take the deal?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Davis went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir. I mean, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Six three one nine one. Is that what you said?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Let me, I don't know, draw your attention way back to November the 2nd, 2021, around 12:22 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Pilgrim. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because I didn't have it.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, with stipulation of probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I do have Officer Johnson, Officer Greer, Macy Jusky appeared, Holt appeared. All right. All right, and you owe a lot of civil infraction. I'm gonna fine you $240 for this. I'm gonna dismiss upon payment. You owe a lot of civil infractions here, sir. I'm gonna set a review date for next month, 6/29/2026. I'm marking allow payment plan. So you do one of two things. You either pay it off. I'm just really concerned about the $240. You have to concern yourself about the other dollar amounts. Pay it off. You can pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways that I can tell you to pay it. Or come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Or you can come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. June 29th is your next court date at 8:25. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day, Mr. Lee Nettles. Have a great day, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a be safe. All right, Officer, I think Johnson, be safe out there unless you have, and, the other.
Hey, good morning.
officer,
I have one more, please. I think it's Lineberger, a Lineberger.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Greenwell. Ms. Greenwell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea of blocking traffic for the speeding ticket, and the remaining matters are to be dismissed.
All these matters, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a valid license?
I have my permit.
All right, don't expect to get this kind of deal next time.
Okay.
Come back in here, you better slow down. Stipulate to the face of the ticket, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I told you I have the best attorneys in Michigan in here, so I can't believe that one. Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I'm sorry, you said what amount?
$175. When can you pay?
Can I have 2 weeks?
Pay it by June the 12th. June the 12th. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Annie Lineberger, case number SP 1350447, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1446429. SP 143-59731, SP 164-3834, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1654653, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1682118, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 17590, strike that, SP 1759103. 1 and SP 175911101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lineberger.
Annie Linebarger.
Good morning to you, Ms. Linebarger. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Corporal Whitehead appeared. Officer Mitchell appeared. I didn't see Officer Melvin. I did not see Officer Johnson appeared. McCree appeared. I didn't see Officer Mota Contreras, I guess. Mr. Berry, give Ms. Lineberger an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, did you have an attorney now? All right, better join the room. You can figure it out.
License
Okay.
check for Mr. Gaines, please.
Can we check Mr. James' license, Mr. Harris? Thank you. Ms. Mathis, I'm sorry. Mr. Gibbs, you sat there and you rolled a blunt right in front of the court.
No, no, Your Honor, I was not rolled. I was not.
Lied to me. I knew the lie was coming next. I knew that was coming next. Instead of just not saying, rather lie.
I wouldn't lie to the court. I had no
You
need.
did lie to the court. I saw you.
You saw me rolling the blunt? No, sir.
I saw you with the blunt wrapper when you first pulled it out, when you first got on here.
With the blunt wrapper? You didn't see me.
And listen.
Okay.
Now,
Okay,
all right. No.
Okay.
You go ahead and keep that lie up, all right?
I didn't know. It's a few things sitting on the table.
Go ahead. I don't want to hear it. We don't need to talk about that anymore. I see how you roll.
Smoking that blunt in court.
Go back and look at the video. Probably why he didn't miss. That's probably what made him miss his court date.
I was at my court date, sir.
You missed the court date, sir.
When I logged in the last court date that they sent me, and you guys and nobody.
Listen, it's not a debate, all right?
Okay.
Gibbs, it might be best to just exercise the right to be silent.
Okay, got you.
Is the license valid? I didn't see Miss Gardner come in.
Yes.
Oh, that was Queen Z. That was Queen Z. It's valid.
Thank you. I'm just waiting for Ms. Horn. Thank you.
All right. Good morning to you, Miss Gardner.
Good morning. Good morning.
So, all right. Who else do we have? You're just waiting on.
Excuse me.
No, I'm just talking to Miss Harris. Deandra Griffin, they're gone. You can run Ms. Gardner's license, please.
Okay. As far as water.
Pardon me,
I need to be drinking water.
pardon me.
No, I was talking about Officer Wilson.
Oh,
No, I was just saying I need to be drinking more water.
Shine.
Excuse me, please mute your device.
jeez. I remember them, I just don't remember what it was. Some kind of subs.
Oh, well, it's not news, but I've been in water. We don't have that many people in there.
Mm-mm. This is who we do have left. We got a lot.
We got a lot of tickets.
We're waiting on Miss Horn.
Oh, okay.
Why don't we do this? I'm gonna put in the chat by order of who's next. Let's go back on the record. Well, not yet. Mr. Gaines, you have to go back in the breakout room and wait on Ms. Harris. I'm gonna take a recess. Listen, we're waiting on an attorney. It's not gonna slow anything down. They're gonna get you right in the room when they come out and speak to you and get you their offer, all right?
Make me calls before you leave, Judge.
Yes,
Thank
I'll make you calls. I'll see you.
All right, you see me,
I do.
you see me? Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Just in case I have to.
What is it, recess?
I numbered them
You did, and slide me the remote too before you.
for
send
who's
me.
gonna be.
Please mute your devices.
Put it right here on top.
Mhm.
Attorney Horn?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Did you need to go? Yeah, they're waiting for you in 4. I'm gonna put you in there. I don't think I can make you. Can I make you
Okay, no
co-host?
problem. Thank you. Thank you so
I can't.
much.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room 4.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
So recess.
Okay.
All right, great.
Miss Mathis, would you be able to pull Suro Green out of the breakout room?
Okay, let's see, so green. Mr. Green?
Yes.
Okay, great, he's in the main room.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And then for Mr. Green, I did want to let you know we're going to be requesting an adjournment date of 7/28/26.
Hello?
Okay, are we ready on anything other than, how are we looking, everybody? Are we ready on anything before the judge arrives? Or is everybody still in the breakout room?
I'm ready with Mr. Green.
I know you're ready on Mr. Green. I was about to say that. Thank you for your patience. Elwood, are you ready on anything, Elwood Berry?
Ready on line, Barger.
Ready on line, Barger? Okay. We're just waiting for Chair to hear. Okay, line, Barger, and Green. Okay, thank you.
Oh. Failed. Oh. Oh. Mm.
They ready on line, Barger, and Green.
Who?
Line, Barger, and Green.
All right. What about Gaines?
Gaines, Chair Harris is in the room 4 with Tamika Cole.
All right,
For this back in session.
let's go back on the record with Ms. Linebarger. Ms. Linebarger, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the improper license of Officer McCree, ending in 4291. She would also enter a plea to the no insurance charge of Officer Mitchell at 1182. And finally, an improper place charge at Officer Whitehead's charge at 1031, ending in those numbers. two improper plates, one failure to display, Your Honor.
Do you want to take the deal, Ms. Lineberger?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? The other right. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you laying down, ma'am?
No.
All right. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 17th, 2025, around 4:17 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Finland. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license
Yes.
and insurance,
Yes.
and you couldn't do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I was still in the process of going through court to get my license.
Okay, and you didn't have any insurance, is that correct?
No, not at the time, sir.
I find you guilty of the amended count. I'll find her guilty of the failure to display for not having the driver's license, and I'll find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate. Let me draw your attention back to February 19th, 2025, around 9:59 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Chandler Park Drive and Canyon. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid insurance for that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No, sir.
And why is that?
I didn't have it at the time.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. With the stipulation of probable cause, counselor, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Are you working, ma'am?
No, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Perkins.
Please don't interrupt, Mr. Gaines.
Okay.
Miss Lineberger, what I will do is I'm only going to fine you for one of these. You owe a lot of civil infractions, so that are related to some of these cases. So I'm gonna cut you a break. I'm only fine you for one, $240. I'm gonna give you until I'm gonna give you 30 days to get it together. You indicated to the court you're not working. June 29th, 2026, 8/25 is your next court date. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things, ma'am. Have it paid off by June 29th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or
Is it possible to have my court date on a different day? I have court with Warren 37 District on June 29th at 9,
and I have to show up in person.
June 30th.
Okay.
June 30th, all right?
Yes.
Or you pay it off. If you pay it off, you don't have to show it up. Or if you get into that payment plan, do it on or before the June 30th. June 30th. If you don't have anything, I'm waiving the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Lineberger, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right. Who do you have, Mr. Berry? Did you get anyone else? All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Gerald Rashad Grant. Case number SB 104-81101, SB 110-75891, SB 145-8899, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 146-0994, counts 1, 2, and 3. Oh, he's in the breakout room. Who was speaking to him, Mr. Berry?
And what is this gentleman's name?
Gerald Grant.
No. I have him circled. I'm not aware that there's an attorney. I'll speak with him, Your Honor.
All right, SP 146-10041, SP 148-2673, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 149-51691, SP 151-2217, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 152-1774, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 158-4815, counts 1, counts 2, SP 158-4816, counts 1, counts 2, SP 1611404, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1611731, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1626928, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1852341, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1852346, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1862202, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1864264, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1868094, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1868096, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 186-81171, State of Michigan versus Gerald Rashad Grant, case number SX 4512606, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
Gerald Rashad Grant.
All right, Mr. Grant, today is the date and time is set for a trial. Mr. Berry, put Mr. Grant in the breakout room. Put you in the breakout room, Mr. Grant. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity now all morning. Ms. Till, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of Suro Green, who is present via phone. Mr. Green, can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Suro Green.
All right, Ms. Till, and did you have a good conversation with Mr. Green?
Yes, we had a very productive conversation. I do believe that he would be an excellent candidate for the Street Outreach Court Detroit program. And we have connected. I am requesting an adjournment date of 7/28/26 in order to allow Mr. Green more time to participate in the program.
All right, Mr. Green, you want to participate, correct?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Green, I meant what I said earlier about doing a little more listening, okay? I hope you learned something from that today, all right? There's a, there's a,
Yes,
there's
I
a,
did.
there's a process and procedure, and a lot of times, if you just know the rules, you can win off the rules a lot of times in these situations. But more importantly, you have an advocate that knows the rules and is there to do what's in the best interest of you. But it is your case, so you're driving the bus per se. But I do understand at this time you're going through a lot, and we're going to be praying for you for that. Um, but just don't let that cloud your judgment. And when you have a good advocate on your side, don't let that cloud your judgment. I know it's easier for me to say because I'm not going through those same difficulties, but I do have my own. But at the end of the day, I think with your difficulties, you know, at this young age, it's probably a pretty tough situation. I always say to people in your situation that a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King, he indicates that the true test of a man is not where he stands in the times of comfort and convenience, but where he stands in times of challenges and controversies. And this is a challenging time for you, and I don't know why God chose to test you this way, but this is your test, sir. And I do believe that with a lot of perseverance, diligence, and some luck and some help, which we're trying to provide for you today, the help, I do believe that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And at some point, that light is going to shine brighter for you. I just can't tell you when, all right? But I'll be praying that it is sooner rather than later, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I allowed your client, Ms. Till, to pay the reinstatement fee up front. If we give $45, sir, you're going to have to come down to the court. There's no better way that I can allow you to do that, but to come down to the court. And you come to the window, it's marked in the file. If you have trouble, you can come up to the courtroom and we'll straighten it out for you. But you pay that $45. That should get you clearances here at the 36th District Court, and you should potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. I say potentially because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but it will get you clearances here. Once you pay that $45, go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license. If they do not give you a license, then ask them for a printout, and they should give you a printout on everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have any further questions?
No.
You're very much welcome, sir. I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thank you, Your
Thanks.
Honor. You have a great weekend.
Have a better one. Deputy Wilson, thank you for gracing us with your presence.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
I don't want no trouble, sir.
You're not gonna get in trouble with me. Just don't be rolling no blunts in my courtroom and stuff like that.
Sure if you have the switches.
What's up? No. And if you do roll, don't lie to me about it.
No, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't lie.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna tell you.
That's the worst thing. You can just say nothing. How's it been going?
Oh, it's good. Oh, I wasn't sure if you was on mute or not.
I'm here.
You want me to stop the?
Yeah, you can still, can we pause it?
Yeah, we can pause.
Okay, you have to say. Mr. Gaines, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaines.
He's muted.
He's getting his, he's making his egg roll.
That work.
He's making them good egg. Can't make them good egg rolls right now. We got to take care of this business first.
I'm sorry about that.
That's what he's doing. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaines. Mr. Gaines, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? You muted, Ms. Harris.
Sorry, my client is going to enter a plea to as charged to improper plates and to admit responsibility to 2 amended counts of blocking traffic, with the remaining matters dismissed.
Improper plates as charged. That goes way back. I don't know why we have to go so far back on those. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, I don't have a problem with that. I know I had drove with an improper plate. I believe that was when I first got my vehicle. So like I said, I'll take responsibility for it.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention. Oh, I don't even think we have the ticket here. Okay, back to, we draw your attention back to June 21st, 2024, around 2:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Evergreen and Kendall Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit
Yes.
Police Department?
Yes,
Were you
sir.
operating a vehicle?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plate on that motor vehicle?
I had just purchased the car from a family member, and I was driving the car from their house to my house. At that time, I stayed on Outer Drive and 6
Don't need to
Mile.
know.
And
Don't need to know all that. Was there
okay.
something wrong with the plate?
Yes, sir.
And what was wrong with the plate?
I believe it was still registered to my cousin, and it was expired. I hadn't
knew-
got the.
You
Huh?
knew it was registered to your cousin and it was expired because you hadn't changed the plate, did you?
No,
All right.
I was
Find your
just riding
client,
with the title of the car with my
find your
name and
client,
his name. Oh, I'm sorry.
find your client guilty of the amended count. I mean, as charged to the improper plate with stipulation of probable cause, will dismiss the other matters
So stipulated, Your Honor.
and stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, find them responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic for the speeding 16 to 20 and amended count for the speeding 1 to 5. And I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees, which I don't see any. Congratulations on getting a valid driver's license. 240 and 175 won't fine you. I'll cut you a break on the other blocking traffic. When can you pay?
What's the total on it?
240, 175. You still owe, well, no, you won't owe anything but 240 and 175.
Okay, I can have it paid with.
115.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry. What did you say?
He was asking for the total. I believe that's $415. And we would ask
Okay.
for 30 days to pay and or to enter a payment plan if the court will allow.
With all the egg rolls he's selling? All right, 6/29/2026. Come back that morning. If you pay it off, you don't have to come back. If you don't pay it, I need to see you. Or if you get into a payment plan, you don't have to come back. So do one of two things. Pay it off at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse on or before June 29th and get into a payment plan. Mr. Gaines, if there's nothing further, I will say this is off the record, that'll conclude it. But I will say he has some very, very, very good egg rolls. I told you about that, didn't I?
Yeah, I gotta get over there.
Very, very, very good.
I'll come pay my ticket so I can bring y'all some lunch so they can try it out. As long as they let me get through the security with the food, I'm gonna tell them it's for you.
Where is it from?
It's
on
on
7.
Livernois. It's called Banks Grill. Livernois between 6 and 7 mile. Well, Curtis and 7 Mile. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm talking about they're slamming. So good luck to you, sir.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations on the license and best of luck to you. We'll see you soon.
All right, thanks a lot. Have a good one.
You as well. All right, Miss Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Tony
Graham.
Case numbers SP 1182809, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3, SP 1206833, SP 1494995, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1501370. SP 1501580, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1620250, SP 1878971. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Graham, please state your name for the record.
Tony Graham.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Graham. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I believe you need to see updated information on Graham, correct?
That is correct.
All right. So aside from the driving while license suspended, it is a license expired, unregistered, untitled, a no ops, A no insurance misdemeanor. A license expired.
No
A
insurance.
no misdemeanor. A drove while license suspended. A no insurance misdemeanor. An unregistered untitled. And a no ops. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cases into the record. And he does owe some civil infractions, one of which is a no insurance proof, 288, among 1, 2, 3, 4 other civil infractions. Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer, sir. Join the room. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you,
He's in
sir.
there past the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you, Grant, I'm sorry. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer of the people to allow him to enter a plea to 9 charges based on the officers who have appeared. We have 2 FTDs, failure to displays, at ending in 1101 and 5891. We have Officer Rule.
I'm really just gonna do it like, I see the offer. I have 1 allowing, 2 failure to displays. 2, 3, 3 improper plates, that's 6. A blocking traffic, 7, and a 3-month delayed on 2 other matters, that's 8, and that's 9.
Yes,
I'm gonna take it on the best way I can to make it as efficient.
No problem.
All right. You wanna take the deal, Mr. Grant?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you do have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Live person from yesterday.
You say what?
We have a person that needs to be arraigned from yesterday. He's in the hallway. The officer is going to go and get Officer Wilson.
Okay. Why didn't he get arraigned? He left, he missed the
Said
date.
somebody gave him the wrong Zoom information.
Yeah.
Attorney Bird, though.
Who?
Attorney Bird.
Burden.
His last name is Bird. He worked with Phil and them.
Yeah, I don't really know him.
His thing is today too.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 18th, 2026 at around 11:02 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Davison and Livernois. Do you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
The officer asked you to produce valid driver's license, insurance, and registration. Well, driver's license and driver's license and registration.
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you?
No, sir, I couldn't.
And why is that?
My license was suspended, sir.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah.
What about the plates? Was there something wrong on the plates on that vehicle? 1995 Ford?
Yes, sir, it was. Yes, sir.
What was wrong with those plates?
Expired. No insurance.
All right. And no registration, is that correct?
No registration. Yes, sir.
All right. Find your client guilty, Mr. Berry, of allowing for not having a driver's license, as charged for the improper plates, and improper plates for the amended count of not having the registration. So that takes care of 1, 2, 3. One allowing is taken care of. There was 2 failure to displays, 3 improper plates. Let me draw your attention back to February 13th. And you didn't have a good week.
That was a bad week.
Back to February 13th, 2026, at 8:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Finkel and Vaughn. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance.
Yes, sir.
You could not do either, could you? All right.
I'm sorry, sir.
You didn't have it, correct?
No, I did not have it. Yes,
I
sir.
find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display for the driver's license, not having a valid driver's license, and the amended count of improper plate for not providing the valid registration. That takes care of the 3 improper plates. One allowing failure to display.
It was at 1:30. He just needs to be right. Just get him a vice right. That's all. We gotta give him a date.
Let me draw your attention back to
Judge, what you want us to?
February 4th. It wasn't a good 2 weeks. Man, February 4th, 2026, around 1:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Davison and Livernois again. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle. Well, this doesn't have, he didn't give you a ticket for not having a valid license. We know where to find Mr. Grant. If you're looking for him,
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
It's his stomping ground, Davison and Livernois.
Yeah.
Where about it? Let's find it. I don't know. What are these three SP 146? What are these three delayed sentences? Two of them, SP 146 9941. That's a failure to secure load.
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit. Those three are failure to secure load. The indication that I have is that he was hauling a lot back then.
All right, he was
With a
working that
trailer.
he was working that Ford, huh?
I'm sorry, sir.
You were working that Ford, huh?
Yeah, not too long ago, yes, sir.
All right. Is there any what about stipulating any issue with taking the rest under a no contest plea for the time and duration that has passed since then?
No objection from the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. You're not going to contest that these tickets were actually given to you improperly, are you, Mr. Gant?
No, sir, I'm not. No, sir.
All right, I'll enter a no contest plea. You have any issue with that, Counselor, Mr. Berry?
None, Your Honor.
All right, I'll enter no contest pleas for the failure to secure load. If you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please.
So
No, for those no contest pleas.
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
And for the other failure to display, with the same stipulation, I'll enter a failure to display for that. And then he had one blocking traffic. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated.
All right. So blocking traffic, I amended the disorderly conduct, not the disregarding the red signal to the blocking traffic with that stipulation, and no contest for 3 months and 3 months. Stipulated probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a review. I still haven't thought about what I'm going to do as far as a fine, but whatever I'm going to do is going to be, next court date is going to be August 31st, 2026. Are you working, sir?
August 31st. Yes, sir.
Are you working?
But
You are?
yes, sir. I have to make it though.
All right, you owe a lot of money. Do you have, did you get your license valid?
Not yet, sir. I still take care of some more matters, but I'm working toward that right now.
You paid the reinstatement fees.
Yes, sir.
All right,
But
let's do this.
I know. Okay.
Let's do this. Let's do this. You owe a lot of money. I'm gonna only fine you for 3 of them. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And the other ones, I'll no fine you for. You already owe a lot of money to the court, and it seems like you're trying to get this stuff together.
Yes, sir.
All right. 240, 240, and 240. I marked the file allow payment plan. You don't get any other trouble, then those we'll dismiss the ones when you pay them that were set for outside of the 3-month delay. And then we'll dismiss the other matters if you pay them and don't get any other trouble like that. So no more failure to secure loads in 3 months. August 31st, come back. You pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. I do wish you the best of luck, sir. And you have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Yes, sir. And thank you, everybody, for the deal and everything. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, take it easy.
All right.
We're just
Can you get me out? How to get out?
I'll put you out.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right, let's call the city of Detroit. We can bring them in. Versus Shanika Siobhan Gardner, case number SP 189 5407, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 189, 54251. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
Shanika Siobhan Gardner.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a,
Show cause, Your Honor.
all right, purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? When you see the front, join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Tony Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting permission to pay reinstatement fees up front and a trial date, Your Honor.
He only has one reinstatement fee. All right, I'm marking the file, pay fee up front. You have to come down to the courthouse and do so. There's no better way that I can allow you to take care of that, but to come down to the courthouse, pay the fee, and then go to the Secretary of State and try to get a valid license. You bring $45, and if you can't get a valid license, and you can ask them for a printout, everything that's affecting your license. I'll come back on June 29th. I wish you the best of luck on that license. June 29th, trial date at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Graham, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, one other question. Does that $288 has to be paid in full, or?
I'm allowing you to pay the reinstatement fee on that. Now, it's gonna have to be paid in full at some point, but if you pay the $45, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license.
All right then. Thank you.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right. And thank you.
All right,
Thank you all.
You're welcome. Let me hurry up and get Mr. Gibbs out of here before he starts smoking that blunt. Ms. Harris versus Maurice Gibbs, case number SP 188-9067, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gibbs, please state your name for the record.
Maurice Gibbs.
All right, Dave, good morning to you. There's date and time set for a show cause, purposes of arraignment.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gibbs, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gardner. His license, please. Well, do you want a deal today, or you want to set a trial date, or you want to speak to an attorney?
I mean, well, I know it was, I want to say 4 tickets, I think, because I didn't have my license. At
4, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
So it was the no license, the insurance, the registration.
So just don't talk about anything, but do you want to talk to an attorney, or do you want to set a trial date?
The trial date means like I'm trying to like play like not guilty.
Not guilty today, you'll come back on the trial and you'll get an offer that day, or we can get you an offer today.
Get me offered that because I have my ID and my registration and stuff like that. So I'm
going to add to it. Talk to the attorney about that.
okay.
Don't talk, you just might walk.
Okay, well, I'll talk to you, okay.
It's valid?
Yes.
He's got a valid license. He's winning. He's winning. You're gonna have to zoom in. This was yesterday.
You got a valid license?
Yes, sir.
You got a valid license. All right, zoom in. Get him on Zoom, please. We'll get you talking to an attorney and see if we can get you an offer right now.
I was using my mother's phone yesterday, because for some reason, this is my first time getting an iPhone. It was telling me I had to pay or something like that.
Yeah, you can make a phone call.
Yeah. Okay, so like I said.
All right. That's the last one.
He's the last one.
He's the last one. What about this?
Right here.
Let's go back
Don't
on
hang
the
up
record.
the
Gardner,
outside.
I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the improper license charge and improper plates for the no registration charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Why don't you go get a license, Miss Gardner?
I'm in the process of trying to do that now.
Do you want me to give you some time?
To get my license.
Yeah.
I mean, you can.
Well, I know I can, but do you want me to?
Yes.
All right. She has it probably needs to go to the state police. Probably needs to go to the state police with this 625G permit.
I can't hear him. This is good.
I said you probably need to go to the state police and because I don't see that there was a resulting drunk driving case. But you probably need to go to the state police and then Canton. That's a Canton implied consent, but that was yeah, you probably need to go to the state police. That was on 2022. That should have been long been up by now. But you just have to take one action or go to the Secretary of State and they can get you probably advise you. All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for June 18th, 2026 at 8:30.
Okay.
Yeah. June 26th at 8:30. And if it's nothing further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, and thank you.
Mr. Barry, Mr. Gardner is here from yesterday. This is the city of Detroit versus Ryan D. Gardner. Case number SP 181-2458, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 190-7163, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gardner.
Ryan D. Gardner.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time. We'll call it set for an arraignment, Mr. Barry.
Your Honor, would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, Mr. Gardner does have a valid driver's license. Mr. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Okay, you need to know what the allegations are, right, Mr. Berry?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Allowing, and at the same time, a no ops. So I don't know how you get an allowing and a no ops at the same time. But also a no insurance proof and a no valid registration. Those are civil infractions. 2 misdemeanors, 2 civil infractions. Put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Gardner. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. He's in there. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, trial date is the 29th at 9 a.m. All right, sir.
The 29th of what?
Of February, of June at 9 a.m. If
Oh,
there's nothing
June.
further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Am I done?
You're done.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So, do you know that attorney, Miss?
Just working down in video felony arraignments, but I haven't worked with him in a while since I've been up here.
And what was wrong with him?
I don't know. I just seen the posting for the service. I know he was kind of young. He just worked with Phil and Joyce Reason over him.
Yeah. I don't think I've seen him. I know I have to have.
I mean, I shouldn't be talking about this because we have.
Say what?
You ever see how they smoke that? Like, you can't see it. They put it on top of the thing. It's kind of slow. It's kind of,
What is that?
this part. And then you smoke it over.
What is that? He about to get you.
I'm sorry.
He about to get you.
What is that? It just seemed like it would be good. What is that? I see it all the time about excuse me. That shouldn't be working. These people are buying tickets. They don't be able to know, do they?
No, right on.
Wild West.
I should give me one of those Spirit Airline model airplanes for my memories.
They got miniature ones?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be nice.
I put a lot of miles in. I was very.
Did they say why they just bellied up? Did they have any?
Well, like they said because they were already in a little difficulty, right? But then when the gas prices went up, yeah, it just killed them. 300 and some odd million it added to their debt.
Wow.
Just like that. That's a lot.
And that's when the government should have bailed them out.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Because governments can bail out companies.
They did it all.
built out Ford.
Yeah.
They built out.
Well,
Yes.
Ford didn't take the bail out.
No,
General Motors and Chrysler.
they should
Ford
have
didn't.
bailed out Sprint, because Sprint was really the
No.
way people was getting
Come on now.
getting around.
That's why.
That's why.
Yep, in my opinion.
Sprint became a horrible service.
It wasn't.
Wasn't?
You said
I-
Spirit.
Sprint.
Oh,
Sprint
Sprint.
telephone.
Oh, I don't know if they bailed out Sprint.
They didn't bail out Sprint, did they?
No.
No, Spirit, we're
We're
talking
talking about Spirit, the airline.
about the airline.
Oh, okay. Who cares about Sprint? They were
Now,
there.
my wife's
I do.
last.
I'm a long-time customer since 1998, but they're T-Mobile now.
Are you two talking?
My wife's last flight on Spirit. They did push her back a couple times, but I never had a problem. I never got a late. I never got a flight delay. I won't say that. They did have a delay for about an hour or so. I remember one time I had took my whole family down to Florida, and I had the tickets I don't know how much I paid for them, but then I looked it up again, and they were like $300 cheaper. And they had sent me but they had sent me a thing saying that they had changed the flight by like 15, 20 minutes or something, right? I didn't think of that at the thing first, but while I'm on there trying to get the lower price, they're like, oh, there's nothing you could do. And then what Spirit did, they would charge you basically more than the ticket cost to change the ticket. So it was no thing. So then after that, I just thought about it. I said, well, what if they changed the time of my flight? And they looked it up and they said, oh, you can cancel the tickets completely because we changed the time. It was only like 15 minutes. So I canceled all of it completely and hit the button and I got the discount.
I did say that. We can wait 15 minutes for $300 to save $300.
Yeah, it was cool.
Because they had scheduled trips, right?
Hmm?
A lot of people lost money because they had scheduled trips.
Well, I think the people who didn't get their trip, they're gonna get their money back.
Okay, that's good.
They can't give them a credit.
No, they
I
can't
mean,
give them
even though
credit.
I never rode Spirit,
You was always high dollar.
that's why I love them.
You're
Delta
in
all
the
the time.
Harris. Yeah.
I like Delta. I get my little headphones, I get to watch movies. I be chilling.
You know, the last one, I went to California, my friend from high school, she's a producer, a movie producer, and her film was on a Delta flight.
Oh, what?
Yeah. I had already seen it because she had a premiere here.
Oh, what was that movie?
Her movie is Albany Road.
Albany Road.
That sounds familiar.
Yeah. Albany Road. It's pretty good too. And she spent all her money, paid for it all herself, everything.
All right.
Yeah. I forget the lady, y'all would know the lady that was the main head star in that.
Albany Road. You never seen it, Jake? Never heard of it?
No, this is my first. I'm not really a movie. You know, I'm not really movie cool. My little sister is, and my other sister, she's a.
Lynn Whitfield.
Oh, Lynn.
Oh.
Lynn Whitfield was the star.
Oh, okay.
My sister,
That
my
should
other
be
sister is
big
like a
then.
movie guru. She loved music. She know everything. My sister loved movies.
She had the premiere at the IMAX, the Imagine in Royal Oak.
Oh, yeah.
We getting a new Max theater downtown. What's the name of
We need
it?
one.
Cosmo or something?
We need one.
We working on that, boy. What is it
Miss
called?
Horn, Mr. Barry's waiting on you.
Okay, thank you. We do need one though, because remember the one in the Renaissance Center? That was, at least it was downtown. Oh, but the movie is on Amazon Prime too. The Albany Road. I always look for stuff, a list for the weekend, but I just saw it's on Amazon Prime if anybody got, and Hulu, a couple of other outlets.
We get some amphitheater on, Cadillac.
Yeah, but
Not
no.
Cadillac, yeah, Cadillac Boulevard. Yeah, I got that.
No, the only movie theater right now is on 8 Mile.
I don't think it's like a movie theater, but it's like some mega dome where you can go watch like
What's
sports
that, 8
events. I
Mile?
forgot what they call them.
Mom, what is that?
They building
I
it, they
forgot.
building it. It's like some epic like with that, right there on, Cadillac Square. Oh.
Uh-oh. Mr. I can't say somebody's name, but once, May. Good afternoon to you.
How you doing, sir?
All right, I can open this?
Yes, you can, sir.
How's it going?
It's going quite well, quite well. It's an invite, personal invite for you to be a guest on our show.
Cosmic Dome.
Explains in detail. We're also
It's on Cadillac Square. It's
Right
like
now?
a big amphitheater where you can watch like sports events. I think everything's gonna be like 3D.
Gonna be, mean it's not, don't exist yet?
They might about that. They were working on it for a minute. It used to be like a little theater that used to sit there, like an old movie theater. And it took over the spot.
When is this going on?
They have them in other cities as well.
All right, let me look it over. I'm honored to be considered to something like that. All right.
What
A
is it?
little old me.
we have a TV show,
Okay.
Oh, do you?
and it's on CMN TV in
It's
Troy.
on who?
CMN TV, public access in
Okay.
Troy.
All right.
CMN, is that, what channel is that?
I'm not mistaken.
38?
No, that's you talking about W. It's not the one that's in Detroit.
Yeah, I know
Clinton
what you're
Township.
talking about.
No, that's not
I
it.
can't think of it though.
What is it called again?
CMN TV.
It's CMN TV. Detroit?
No, it's going to be in Troy.
Oh, Troy, Michigan.
And who's gonna be doing the interview?
I will.
And who's gonna be, is there just you and I?
Yes, sir.
So it's almost like a podcast type
Yes,
thing?
sir. Studio set, or based on your schedule, you can also be zoomed in or even by phone.
I'd show up. All right, let me, come back and see me next week.
I surely will, sir. Thank you.
All right, I'll see you.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Take care, young man.
All right.
How many other people got this invite?
It's going to be 3 others.
Judges?
Yes.
And who was that?
You can't.
I can tell. I'm presenting to Clayton, Judge Clayton downstairs, and
Judge who?
Clayton, new judge.
No, you're talking about, no, he's Ponce Clay. Yeah.
And Judge, he's over in Circuit. He's in front of the court. Junior.
Prince Edward Jr.?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
As well as questions there for you as well, so you will not be caught off guard of anything.
I can't be caught off guard. I got my game in order.
Like I said, those are the parameters that are in place for sitting judges. I can share this with you. You're the first.
All right. All right. That's only because he got me. All right, I'll see you. Have a good weekend. All right.
Guys.
You too. Well, he says he's gonna be on TV.
Is that Mr. Berry? Let's go. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Berry, did you work it out?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What is the deal?
Per the prosecutor, all of these matters are to be dismissed.
All right. I know you'll take that deal, won't you, Mr. Gardner?
Yes, sir. Loudon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, we'll dismiss the cases. You still owe a lot of money here as far as the other civil infractions that were already in default. But we'll dismiss these cases, sir. I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, sir. And just one more question. So you said it's still some things that I owe?
Yeah, you owe some old civil infractions you never paid that are too late to deal with. 402 for failure to stop at a school bus, disregarding the traffic control device 204, and failure to use due care caution 204. 204, 204, and 402. That kind of like a good number.
Yeah, it came out a lot of times already in the lottery, but I got a letter in the mail saying that my state taxes was took because of like one. I thought something like that was paid off. So you saying that I basically owe a total of like $600?
You're gonna have to go in and talk. You got to go in and get your paperwork together and go down to the
Downstairs and see how.
window. Yeah, that's between you and the clerk and the cashiers and the people that operate that side of the organization.
Okay, I appreciate that. I'm finna head downstairs now and see what's
Good.
on.
All right, Miss
I
Mathis.
appreciate it, sir.
Miss Mathis, put this in now.
That's for Ray Gardner.
For Ray Gardner. Ryan.
Oh, he got dismissal.
Yeah, he's got dismissals on those, but he just owes this other civil in 204, 204, and 402.
Okay. Good. But it's okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a